This is where nature meets precision, a state-of-the-art facility where cocoa beans begin their journey toward becoming fine chocolate. The finest ingredients are carefully stored, as these raw materials form the foundation of the final product's authentic flavor.
Freshly fermented and dried cocoa beans arrive at the factory in traditional burlap bags, marking the very first step in.
Each batch is carefully tested for moisture levels to ensure there is no compromise in quality and to protect the beans from fungal contamination.
Before processing begins, the cocoa beans are thoroughly cleaned and sorted to remove impurities and ensure only the best beans move forward.
The process begins with vibratory screens that shake away small debris and dust from the incoming cocoa beans.
Magnetic separators are used to remove any metallic impurities, protecting both the machines and the purity of the chocolate.
Defective or discolored beans are automatically removed by targeted air jets, ensuring only the finest quality beans continue.
High-speed optical sorters use advanced cameras to scan each cocoa bean for imperfections.
The beans enter large, continuous roasting drums, where heat begins to unlock their complex aromatic profiles.
Temperatures are precisely maintained between 120 and 150 degrees Celsius to develop the signature chocolate flavor.
This critical heating process also sterilizes the beans, ensuring the product is safe and perfectly roasted for the next phase.
The result is clean cocoa nibs, the essential raw ingredient that provides the intense base for all chocolate products.
Roasted beans are gently crushed between rollers to break the brittle outer shells and release the valuable cocoa nibs.
Heat generated during grinding melts the natural cocoa butter, turning the dry nibs into a rich, liquid mass.
The solid cocoa nibs are fed into powerful industrial grinding mills, where intense pressure and friction begin to break them down.
These heavy rollers crush the sugar and cocoa particles down to less than 20 microns, which is thinner than a human hair.
The thick chocolate mixture is passed through a sophisticated 5-roll refiner to eliminate any graininess.
This thick liquid, known as cocoa liquor, is the pure essence of chocolate and serves as the foundation for the entire recipe.
Every gram matters, as the perfect balance of ingredients is what defines the brand's unique chocolate taste.
Industrial mixers work with high accuracy to ensure every batch has the exact same ratio for a consistent flavor profile.
Precise amounts of cocoa liquor, sugar, and milk powder are added to the mixer according to a strictly controlled recipe.
The refined chocolate is placed into conching tanks, where it is continuously kneaded and aerated for several hours or even days.
This long process uses friction and heat to drive off unwanted acidic flavors and moisture, mellowing the chocolate's taste.
Conching is the secret to achieving that ultimate velvety smoothness and developing the deep, rich aroma we love.
Tempering involves a precise cooling and heating cycle that prepares the cocoa butter for perfect crystallization.
Preheated molds move into position under the depositor to receive the perfectly tempered liquid chocolate.
Preheated molds move into position under the depositor to receive the perfectly tempered liquid chocolate.
The molds are then vibrated to remove trapped air bubbles, creating a solid, smooth structure without any internal gaps.
The filled molds enter a long, temperature-controlled cooling tunnel to begin the solidification process.
As the chocolate solidifies, it shrinks slightly, making it easy to release from the mold while maintaining a perfect shape.
The cooled molds are inverted, and the solid chocolate bars are released onto a high-speed conveyor belt.
Precision robotic arms handle the bars with care, ensuring the delicate, glossy surface remains untouched by human hands.
Any bar that doesn't meet the strict quality criteria is instantly removed from the line to maintain a perfect brand standard.
This refining step is crucial to ensure the chocolate feels perfectly smooth and velvety on the tongue, never gritty.
Broken or underweight bars are collected and moved to a melting station to ensure there is zero food waste in the factory.
This rejected chocolate is filtered and recycled back into the production cycle, maintaining efficiency without sacrificing quality.
Before packaging, every bar must pass through a highly sensitive metal detector to ensure total consumer safety.
Lab experts perform a snap test to ensure the tempering was perfect and the chocolate has the characteristic crisp sound.
Sensory experts evaluate the flavor, aroma, and texture of every batch to ensure the brand's signature taste is never compromised.
Exactly the right body temperature for a premium experience.
Advanced sensors and timing gears synchronize the product flow, ensuring each bar enters the packaging machine at the exact millisecond required. The bars are rapidly wrapped in a protective layer of aluminum foil or plastic film to preserve their delicate aroma. Every single bar is weighed in motion to ensure it meets the exact weight requirements specified on the packaging.
This fully automated handling system maintains the highest hygiene standards while guiding the chocolate bars now wrapped in packaging.
High-speed conveyors precisely align the chocolate bars into a single disciplined row, preparing them for rapid, efficient wrapping. Cold seal technology is used to create an airtight bond, protecting the chocolate from melting while locking out moisture and air.
This primary packaging acts as a critical barrier, ensuring the chocolate remains fresh and glossy until the moment it is opened.
Precision inkjet printers mark every wrapper with batch numbers and manufacturing dates at lightning speed, ensuring full traceability and quality control. This coating ensures complete traceability, allowing the factory to track the journey of every single bar, from cocoa bean to store shelf.
Advanced X-ray technology scans the internal structure of the chocolate to detect even the smallest non-metallic contaminants. Once cleared, the batch is certified for safety, ensuring that no harmful particles have entered the production line from the machinery.
The individual bars, wrapped, are precisely grouped and placed into matching boxes, ready for wholesale distribution. The boxes are securely sealed. Wrapped chocolate remains protected and intact during transport to stores around the world.
The entire pallet is shrink-wrapped to secure the load and protect the product from dust and moisture during its journey.
Says Princhinen. The pallets are stored in climate-controlled warehouses, kept at a constant 18 degrees Celsius to ensure.
From the factory floor, the chocolate begins its global journey, transported in climate-controlled trucks to maintain its premium quality.
Arriving at retailers worldwide, the bars are finally ready for the moment they were crafted for, the hands of the customer.
From bean to bar, the journey is complete, delivering a moment of pure, velvety joy to chocolate lovers everywhere.